Imagine this. A virus sneaks into your body, maybe from a sneeze on the subway or a doorknob at Starbucks. Before your immune system even has time to assemble the troops, one molecule sounds the alarm. Meet interferon, your body's built-in early warning system. When a cell gets infected, it doesn't go down quietly. It sends out a chemical distress signal, interferons, basically shouting, "Hey, neighbors, there's a virus in here. Lock your doors." Nearby cells hear the message and start producing antiviral defenses even before the virus reaches them. The name interferon comes from interfere, because that's exactly what it does. It interferes with the virus's ability to replicate. Think of it as the spam filter of your immune system, catching infected emails before they crash the whole server. But interferons don't just block viruses. They also call in the big guns, immune cells like natural killer cells and macrophages. Those guys show up, wipe out the infected cells, and clean up the mess. Here's the wild part. This entire response happens in hours, long before your body starts making antibodies. Without interferons, even a mild infection could spread like wildfire. Scientists have tried using interferons as medicine to treat hepatitis, multiple sclerosis, and even some cancers. They work, but not without side effects. Think fever, fatigue, and flu-like symptoms. That's your immune system in overdrive. Fun fact, some viruses, like SARS-CoV-2, actually evolved ways to block interferon production. That's part of why COVID could spread so easily before symptoms appeared. Your body is basically running a 24/7 cybersecurity system, constantly scanning for intruders and updating its firewall. You just don't get a notification every time it saves your life. So next time you shake off a cold without realizing it, thank your interferons. They're the unsung heroes of your immune system. And that's baby science for you.